حلو الطاجن.
حلو الطاجن.
باين عليا ان انا فلاحه.
لا يا اختي.
Today we're going to see our farm, okay? So what can you see on the farm? Cow. Which one is the cow? This one, okay. What can you see, Miss, inside the farm? Duck, okay. Camel, what else? Duck, okay. Do you see a horse inside the farm? Yes. What else? What we can see inside the farm? Sheep. I mentioned sheep. Okay.
Go and collect the eggs, will you? Hey, great. Good job.
This is duckling.
We have a nice game about sounds of animals. Get ready with me to listen to the sound and guess what this animal. Okay? Okay. Get ready. Oh, let's have a ground. Thank you, everyone. Back.
حلاوة شمسنا وخفة ظلنا، حلاوة شمسنا وخفة ظلنا، الجو عندنا ربيع طول السنة. حلاوة شمسنا وخفة ظلنا، حلاوة شمسنا وخفة ظلنا، الجو عندنا ربيع طول السنة.
شافوه الباب